Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this radical equation, which is the square root of b plus square root of negative b is equal to 32. So what is the value of b? Solution from here will have negative b plus the square root of negative b. This is equal to 32. Now let's take square root of negative b on the right hand side, so that we'll have square root of b. This is equal to 32 subtract square root of negative b. Now, the next phase is to square both signs. Okay, let's square both signs as follows. So we'll have b, this is equal to 32 subtract square root of negative b, this squared. Okay, so 32 subtract square root of negative b squared, this is in the form of a minus b squared, which is actually equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so let's apply this property so that we'll have b is equal to 32 squared, okay, 32 squared, okay, plus that is square root of negative b squared minus 2 times that 2 times square root of negative b. All right, now from what we have here, this is the same thing as b is equal to 32 squared. 32 squared, this is equal to 1024. Now the square root of negative b squared, we eliminate the square root sign, so this is subtract b minus 2 times 32, which is 64 square root of negative b. Okay, now let's take this negative b on the left hand side. This is b plus b. Okay, b plus b, this is equal to 1024. Okay, subtract what? 64 square root of negative b. All right, so from here we'll have 2b, this is equal to 1024 subtract 64 square root of negative b. Let's proceed. 2b is equal to 1024 minus 64 square root of negative b. Now, which we can express as 2b, this is equal to, we can express this as 2. Now, this is 1024 divided by 2, this is 512, subtract that 2, square root of negative b. Now, if we simplify here, let's simplify by 2. Simplify by 2, so that the value of b is equal to 512 subtract that 2 square root of negative b. Okay, now from what we have, let's take 512 on the left hand side, so that we'll have 5 subtract 512. Okay, this is equal to negative that 2 square root of negative b. Now the second phase is to square both sides. We square both sides. Okay, let's square both sides. Now, as you can see, b minus 512 raised to power 2, this is again in the form of a minus b squared, which we can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, so applying this property, we're going to have b squared plus 512 squared, saying that b minus 512 raised to power 2, this is in the form of a minus b raised to power 2, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Now, applying this property, we'll have b squared plus 512 squared subtract 2 multiplied by 512. This is equal to negative 32 square root of negative b, all of this squared. All right, now from what we have here, this is b squared plus 512 squared subtract, this is 10, this is 1024. Okay, this is equal to, now negative 32 squared, this is the same thing as 1024. Okay, multiplied by, now the square root of negative b squared, we just eliminate the square root sign, we'll have negative b. All right, so this is the same thing as b squared plus 512 squared subtract 1024. Okay, this is 1024b, sorry, this is 1024b. This is equal to negative 1024b. Now this 1024b simplifies so that we'll have b squared plus 512 squared. This is equal to 0. Now let's solve for the value of b. As far as we have b squared plus 512 squared, this is equal to 0. So we have to take 512 squared on the right hand side. So you'll have b squared, this is equal to negative 512 squared. Okay, so to determine the value of b, we get the square root on both sides. So we'll have the square root of b squared, this is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 512 squared. All right, now from what we have here, we'll have the square root of b squared. We just eliminate these two and the square root sign simplifies. So we'll have b is equal to plus or minus. Now, the square root of, now negative 512 squared can be expressed as 512 squared times negative 1. Okay, which is the same thing as b is equal to 512, plus or minus. Now this is, we'll simplify this, that is the square root sign and 2 simplifies, we'll have 512 and the square root of negative 1, this is I. Okay, so that means that we have two possible values of b, that is b is equal to plus 512i and also b is equal to negative 512i. Okay, now these are the two possible solutions for this radical equation. So thank you for watching. Follow the steps. Kindly like this video, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.